Hi, this is Jackie. Welcome to my channel, Jackieburnscreations. I hope you like what I've got for you today. I knew the minute I ever saw these houses exactly what I wanted to do with them. And I wanted to do something fun like a little assemblage, assembly, haunted house. And I'll do the same thing with the with the other ones I have for Christmas. So I painted the backs. It was a little hard getting the backs off. You have to really pry them or knock them out. And I'm painting the outside now black. All three were painted black. And if you can, take the paper off. The backs paint much better with the paper off. If not, then use the thick chalk paint to paint over it. Now I'm showing you some of the backgrounds that I could possibly use. Some of these were taken off the internet. The poison were taken from the poison labels were taken from a site called The Chocolate Rabbit. Showing you some of the little characters I used, the miniatures. Some of them were from Michael's and some of them were from Dollar Tree. Most everything I used was from Dollar Tree. Little broom. Black cat with a cape. Now this one I found at Michael's last year. It was actually in the haul, the $4 haul that I made. And I've kept it all year long, and I thought, oh, this would be good. There are a few things in there that came in quite handy. So it was sticky, and I didn't really have to, I think I used a little glue on it, but I didn't have to glue it down too bad. Now I'm just positioning it in the right spot. Oh, if you're wondering what happened to my hand, I had to have surgery on it for trigger finger. I've been trying to put this video up since about the 1st of October. And the cloud was not being cooperative. So finally, I was able to do it today. No arms and legs or other bones, so I just thought, well, I'll put the hands off to the side. Nope, nothing else I can use. Do I want a bug on there? No, I don't think so. Okay, that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to glue it down to the back. Let me know if you like to hear music in these things. Sometimes I enjoy the music, sometimes not. It becomes repetitious. All right, now this stuff was like a really tight moss, but it was really hard and dried, and some of it had glitter in it, some of it didn't. It was in the haul from Michael's too. Well, I put it on the top, and then It was really super messy, and I really decided I didn't like it at all. So I didn't put it on the other houses, and I actually tore quite a bit of it off. I've got 3 bags of it, and I think I'll get rid of it. It's pretty icky. See me trying to get rid of it in my workspace. Okay, just trying to decide what I'm putting in there. I'm putting the black cat in there with the cape. And a cauldron in there. And a ghost. Okay, now for my second one. Got to learn to position that camera better so I'm more in frame. Instead of you seeing my cups clear over on the end. All in time, I'm figuring it out. Putting an owl down. Now I'm putting down the witch raiding the broom with the little children. You can do these so creative. You can put down about anything in the back. You can put down the scrapbook paper. You could put down wood sticks. You could put down newsprint. You could just about put down anything. And you could put down anything inside there too. When you're doing it, make it yours. I'm just making suggestions, giving you an idea. Yeah, glue it to the paper, Jackie. Here's the broom. I made this one more witch-like. You can see there's a cauldron and a chest and the broom. And there were some tombstones. Since they don't usually go inside, I decided to glue them on the outside. And this one I'm putting down the poison labels. Like I said, they came from a Etsy site called The Chocolate Rabbit. And they weren't very expensive. I think they were $1.99, $2.99. And I've got them on my computer now forever, and I can size them up, size them down. I've made poison bottles with them for about 4 years. There was quite a good selection of them. And since it was chemicals, I thought in potions, I thought it'd be a little more Harry Potter-esque to do this one. Couple of wizards here carrying their books. A stack of books that say potions and things on them like that, spells. Another stack of books. I found these cute little cardboard ones at Michael's. They were on sale, and so they'll be floating in the air. Putting a pumpkin outside. Oh, and I had a whole bunch of these little pumpkins, and I had the brilliant idea of why not glue them on top of the houses? Because we know pumpkins are on top of wizards' houses all the time. There they are, all finished.